Hey everybody, Dave Forehand, Dallas Arboretum. I'm here in the England Family Woodland, part of the Lagoon area, here near a Tasteful Place at Arboretum. And I want to talk about a plant that's just beginning to show its bloom spike here. This is a Canthus malus, or bear's breeches is the name. Beautiful green plant, another great plant for deep shade. It'll grow into like part almost full sun, but it's happy in quite a bit of shade. And you get all this new growth in the spring. If it's a mild winter, it'll actually hold all this like leaves, but if it's real cold and have a hard freeze, it'll freeze back, but it'll come right back from the roots early spring, and then you'll get this bloom spike. So we're going to come back and visit when these are in full bloom. You'll see how beautiful this bear's breeches plant really is. Great again for deep shade, so put this on your list if you have a shady yard. See you real soon. I'm Dave Forehand. Hey everybody, we're back with our Canthus. Full bloom now. Look at this gorgeous flowering spike. Sometimes we call this plant bear's breeches, is a common name for it, but it just sprouts forth early in the spring, and then you get these gorgeous bloom spikes that can do 3-4 feet and attract a lot of insects. They're just really beautiful. Again, a great shade loving plant. I've got a couple of these in my yard, and I think if you've got shade, you might want to try these too. It's a Canthus bear's breeches. It's beautifully blooming. See you real soon. I'm Dave Forehand.